Tired of choosing between expensive resin 3D printers and cheap models that produce disappointing results? I've found the 5 resin printers that deliver exceptional quality without breaking the bank. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes detailed print analysis and real-world usability testing across multiple price points, has revealed which models truly excel for both beginners and experienced users. Each printer has unique features that could be perfect for your specific projects. So make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Anycubic Photon. Mono 4 delivers exceptional detail that'll transform how you think about resin printing. What immediately sets this printer apart is its massive 7-inch 10K resolution screen, which produces incredibly fine details with pixel sizes of just 17 micrometers. This means you'll achieve smooth surfaces and crisp features that rival much more expensive machines. Additionally, the Light Turbo Matrix light source provides remarkably uniform UV exposure across the entire build platform. This technology eliminates those frustrating rasterization effects and layer lines that often plague cheaper resin printers, giving you consistently professional results. The build volume measures 153.4 by 87 by 165 millimeters, which provides plenty of space for miniatures, jewelry, prototypes, and medium-sized functional parts. Moreover, the laser-engraved build platform significantly improves print adhesion while making removal easier once your prints are finished. What's particularly appealing for beginners is the 4-point leveling system that stays calibrated once you've set it up properly. Plus, the power outage recovery feature means you won't lose hours of work if the electricity cuts out mid-print. The included screen protector is a thoughtful touch that protects your investment right out of the box. However, keep in mind that the VAT can only be replaced as a complete unit, since you can't swap out just the FF film separately, which could increase your long-term maintenance costs. Additionally, you'll need to handle the build plate carefully when removing prints to avoid scratching the surface. The print quality consistently impresses users who've upgraded from older Photon models, and the machine proves reliable even after extended use. Whether you're printing detailed miniatures or functional prototypes, this printer delivers the precision and consistency that makes resin printing so rewarding. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see if it fits your workshop needs. Number 4. Elegu Saturn. 4 Ultra 12K brings professional-grade precision to resin printing with its massive 10-inch 12K LCD screen that delivers incredibly fine 19 by 24 micron resolution. This means you'll capture every tiny detail in your miniatures, jewelry, and prototypes with smoothness that rivals much more expensive industrial machines. What really sets this printer apart is its innovative inclined release technology, which dramatically reduces the force needed to separate each layer from the FF film. Additionally, this means faster printing speeds and significantly higher success rates, so you'll spend less time dealing with failed prints and more time enjoying your finished models. The AI camera monitoring system takes the guesswork out of resin printing by watching your prints in real time and detecting potential issues before they ruin your entire project. Moreover, the mechanical sensors automatically estimate resin levels, detect foreign objects on the build plate, and even identify leveling problems. Plus, the auto-leveling feature eliminates one of the most frustrating aspects of resin printing setup. Another impressive feature is the smart alert system that performs hardware self-checks at startup and includes power outage recovery, so you won't lose hours of work if the electricity cuts out mid-print. The Kaba light source provides 92% light uniformity across the entire build area, ensuring consistent curing from edge to edge. However, keep in mind that like all resin printers, you'll need proper ventilation and careful handling of materials. Plus, the post-processing steps of washing and curing your prints can be time-consuming. The Wi-Fi connectivity with both 2.4G and 5G support lets you transfer files wirelessly and even control multiple printers through cluster printing capabilities. Whether you're creating detailed miniatures for tabletop gaming or producing functional prototypes for engineering projects, this printer delivers the precision and reliability that makes resin printing so rewarding. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your creative workshop. Number 3. Anycubic Photon. Mono 4 Ultra takes everything impressive about the standard Mono 4 and pushes the boundaries even further with remarkable upgrades that'll transform your resin printing experience. What immediately captures your attention is the massive 7-inch 10K resolution screen that delivers incredibly fine detail with pixel sizes of just 17 micrometers, which means you'll achieve smoother surfaces and crisper features than what we saw with the previous model. Additionally, the Kobe light source combined with a Fresnel lens provides over 90% light uniformity across the entire build platform, eliminating those frustrating inconsistencies that can plague cheaper machines. This technology ensures dimensional accuracy within plus or minus 0.01 to 0.05 millimeters, so your prints come out exactly as designed. design. What's particularly exciting is the intelligent release system that automatically adjusts lift height based on your specific model. Moreover, the latest ACF film reduces the force needed to separate each layer, allowing printing speeds up to 120 millimeters per hour when paired with high-speed resin. Compare this to older models, and you're looking at significantly faster turnaround times. The user experience feels remarkably polished, with the 4.3-inch touchscreen interface that supports 8 languages and includes intelligent self-check functions. Even beginners will find the setup process straightforward. Plus, the etched aluminum build plate improves first-layer adhesion considerably. However, keep in mind that the plastic construction feels less premium than some competitors, and the side-mounted USB port can be inconvenient when using enclosures. Additionally, replacement resin vats cost more than other brands, since you can't swap just the FFP film separately. Whether you're printing detailed miniatures for tabletop gaming or creating intricate prototypes, this printer consistently delivers professional quality results that make the hobby genuinely rewarding. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your creative workspace. Number 2. ELEGOO Mars 5 4K takes beginner-friendly resin printing to the next level with one click. Automatic leveling that eliminates the most frustrating part of getting started with these machines. Unlike the Anycubic models we covered earlier that require manual 4-point leveling, this printer handles calibration automatically, which means you'll spend more time printing and less time troubleshooting. Additionally, the 4K Mono LCD delivers exceptionally sharp detail that rivals much more expensive machines, capturing intricate textures and fine features with remarkable precision. What's even better is the advanced Kiob light source that ensures uniform curing across the entire build platform, so you'll get consistent results from edge to edge. Moreover, the Mars 5 includes intelligent error prevention features that'll save you hours of frustration. The residue detection system protects your LCD screen from damage, while resin shortage alarms prevent wasted prints when your material runs low. Plus, the one-click self-check function verifies everything's working properly before each print starts. The tilting vat design speeds up printing significantly without compromising quality, and the built-in camera lets you monitor your prints remotely through your phone. Furthermore, ELEGOO includes a 3-month Chitubox Pro subscription, giving you access to advanced slicing features right out of the box. However, keep in mind that the lid isn't hinged, so you'll need to remove it completely for access, which can be somewhat inconvenient. Additionally, the rounded resin spout tends to cause messy pores, and some users report FEP film durability issues over time. The overheat protection automatically stops printing if temperatures exceed safe levels, protecting both your printer and your workspace. Whether you're creating detailed miniatures for tabletop gaming or producing functional prototypes for engineering projects, this printer delivers the reliability and precision that makes resin printing genuinely rewarding. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your creative workshop. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max 7K represents a massive leap forward in large-scale resin printing, delivering professional results that'll completely change how you approach bigger projects. What immediately sets this printer apart is its enormous build volume of 298 by 164 by 300 millimeters, which means you can print full-sized cosplay helmets, terrain pieces, or architectural models in one continuous piece without any assembly required. Additionally, the 7K resolution screen, combined with Light Turbo 3.0 technology, provides over 90% light uniformity across that massive build area, ensuring every corner of your print receives consistent UV exposure. This translates directly into incredibly detailed prints with minimal layer lines, even on large surfaces where uniformity typically becomes challenging. What's particularly impressive compared to the previous Mono 4 models we covered earlier is the remarkable speed increase, reaching up to 60 millimeters per hour thanks to the Intelligent Release 2.0 system. Moreover, this dynamic release technology automatically adjusts the build plate height during printing, significantly reducing print times while maintaining that exceptional detail quality. The automated resin management features truly shine here, with the autofill system that maintains optimal resin levels and even recycles unused material with just one button press. Plus, the 1300 milliliter resin vat capacity means you can tackle those larger projects without constantly refilling material mid-print. Another standout feature is the comprehensive failure detection system that monitors for foreign objects, detects print releases, and even pauses automatically when issues arise. Furthermore, the automatic leveling eliminates one of the most frustrating setup steps, while the flip-open cover design and model suspension feature make the entire workflow more convenient. However, keep in mind that the high-speed resin can produce noticeable odors, requiring good ventilation, and the internal fans can be quite loud during operation. Additionally, some users find support removal challenging. Without damaging delicate details. Whether you're creating large-scale prototypes, detailed architectural models, or impressive cosplay pieces, this printer delivers the massive build capacity and professional precision that makes ambitious resin printing projects genuinely achievable. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your creative workshop needs. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.